Now we're being Crazy for Cats, owned by Jackie Accamazo and shown by Mike Wood.
Yeah, Frida.
Yeah, Mike.
Yeah.
Yeah, Frida.
That was a good start. Good start. A lot better than yesterday's start.
Yeah, Mike.
Let's go, Frida.
Come on, Frida. Come on, Mike. 42. Yeah.
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 Come on, Frida. Come on, Mike.
Thank you, Mike. Score for Crazy for Cats and Mike Wood is a 73.
We'll take it.
Next to work fifth in the draw will be Handsome Jack, followed by Tommy Get Your Gunners, Kit Kat Pimp Daddy, and Cody Lamont. Please be ready.
I do. That's a Travis song. Take after her owner, or what is it? What's up with that?